Life was dull until you came. I was breathless when we first met. Couldn't keep my hands away. I was speechless when we first met. Yeah, you took the pain away. Didn't mind my scars, then my broken heart. Life was dull until you.
Hi guys, it's Glow, also known as Alex. What's up? How are you? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing something a little different. I'm going to be talking about things that I take to festivals and raves and sometimes concerts that I go to. Of course, there's a lot of dancing. There's a lot of everything. So you want to make sure that you're ready. You want to be prepared so that you have the best time that you can have. So I am a member of a beautiful, beautiful family called Worldwide Rave Alliance, and they are the best people. I speak to them on a daily basis, and I met every single one of them at a festival. I mean, you never know who you meet. These people can become your lifelong friends, which they have. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. In the background, I have Chris Lake and Fisher playing. So hopefully YouTube doesn't, demonetize my ass. But I hope you guys enjoy. Bye. So as I've stated in a few other videos, I have been to my share of festivals and raves and concerts. I live in New Jersey, so I have been to a few events in New York. I've done events in Florida as well as Europe. If you guys want a video, I can talk about that. Let's get started. So product one, the most important product, I think, deodorant. Please, I don't have to tell you this, we're all older here, but you'd be surprised how many people do forget. And don't judge me on my nails. It's quarantine time, it's been a few weeks. But yeah, we're pulling through here. So you wanna make sure you take an extra strength deodorant. Okay, you don't wanna be that person in the crowd. I know it feels a little bit uncomfortable sometimes if you just like, whoa, you know what I'm saying? So just make sure you apply a lot of it. And I also recommend this to areas on your bodies that do tend to rub each other. I know I suffer through a lot of like dry rubbing skin in my thighs. So usually when I'm like dancing and it's hot and I'm in crowds, I know you guys know what I'm talking about, that burning feeling that you get in between your thighs. I know sometimes some people get it underneath their arms in this area. If you apply deodorant, you'll be good all day. So usually before I even leave, sometimes I do wear shorts. A lot of the festivals that I go to happen with good weather. So I usually wear shorts and I apply this in between my thighs. And when they rub together, when you get home at night, they won't burn, I promise. So just use this. Deodorant is your friend. And this is in Coconut Kiss by Suave. I love this one, it smells so good. I use this one specifically for raves. Because when you do that whiff, it's like pleasant, like, ooh, I'm not. The next product, sunscreen. You wanna make sure you are wearing sunscreen. The sun will not favor anybody over anybody. It will burn everybody. And usually sometimes there are areas where you can hide from the sun, but majority of the stages have no shade. So you wanna make sure that you are covered because again, you don't wanna be there a few days. It could be like a long weekend and now you have to deal with the sunburn your first day and pretty much pay for it the rest of the days that you're there. And you're just super uncomfortable. So make sure you're applying this. Get a little greedy with it. Put it all over your face, your nose, your arms. Just put it all over. And this is a tip for my ladies. This one right here by Neutrogena, the Ultra Sheer Body Mist, is super beautiful on your skin. So if you're into highlight, I know we love to decorate our faces with highlight gems and stones and glitter, because I'm a glitter fiend. This will lock it in place and also give a shimmer to your skin. Let me see if I can like, mind you, this is sunscreen. The shimmer on my hand. It looks beautiful. And then your pictures would look so bomb, I promise. So this is my go-to. After that, you also wanna make sure that you have your perfume on, okay? Make sure your perfume's on, your cologne's on. Not too strong though, because sometimes you're gonna be, with a lot of people and that smell can really bother some people sometimes, but a little spray here and there is more than welcomed. Mind you, we're skipping around here. You also wanna take a fan. So I usually get these off of Amazon. You can find them for like 15 bucks, 20 bucks. And I love to use these for expression. They have a lot of them where they say a lot of cute quotes. Like I said, when you're hot, you got yourself. And you have the people around you. You know, don't be scared to fan anybody around you. The vibes are there. It's a very peaceful atmosphere. And like I said, if somebody's hot, if you see them sweaty, having a good time, just fan them. I mean, this is a good conversation starter too. You know, it's just like you start fanning somebody and they're like, thank you. And you're like, you're welcome. What's up? You know? So these are really cute. And you want to get the bamboo ones because they'll last you longer. And like I said, they have a whole bunch depending on your outfit, whatever festival you're going to. And it's great for making noise. Even though a lot of people don't like it, I love it. I don't obnoxiously do it. But I mean, it's expression. I love my fan. I love this song too. Next item. You want to have a jacket. Very thin jacket. I usually have like a rain jacket. This is the one that I always take. As you can see, it's like cropped and it's black and white, so it'll match like any outfit that I have. I got this from 10 Spot for about $12, and it's literally what I take to every single festival. Because of course it's long sleeve, it has pockets, and this is the best part. You can literally fold it and put this in your fanny pack and just hold it. And when it gets cold, boom, you're ready. But don't forget, please don't forget, at least a thin jacket. Waterproof would be best because you never know when it starts raining. You don't want to forget this. Your shades. You need shades, okay? Do not forget your shades at home, people. Bring your shades, okay? It adds to your outfit and it enhances a lot of other things if you get specific shades, okay? Next item. Your flag. So I always take my Puerto Rican flag with me. It's good to represent where you come from. You meet thousands and thousands of people from all over the world that are traveling to these things. So you want to make sure that you're not left out. Represent where you come from. Wear that flag with joy. I'm from Puerto Rico, so you already know. Esta banderita va conmigo a todos lados. So you don't want to forget that. And you'd be surprised. This is also a conversation starter. If you see somebody from your country, it's like, hey, what part are you from? And look, you made a friend already. After that, this is essential. A bandana or a face mask. Throughout your day at a festival or a rave, I mean, you are gonna be in areas where there's dirt. Majority of the time, all the stages are on dirt. So this, you would of course put it on your face. They sell actual face masks on Amazon. I just couldn't find one of mine. And they're just like, literally just like the piece of a turtleneck, and you put it on top of your nose. Reason being is because usually since you are over a lot of dirt, your nose just inhales a lot of that bacteria, all of that dirt. And if you don't have one the next day, your snot will probably be a little black or brown. So you just want to make sure you are protecting yourself. And it's super small. You could just fold it, put it in your fanny pack, and you'll be good. Moving right along. Next thing you want to bring, anything with lights. Well, that's what I recommend. You could do headbands. These look super cool at night. Moving right along. If you don't want to bring the jacket that I told you guys about in the beginning, you can always bring a pashmina. So it's basically just a scarf. This isn't exactly a pashmina, but I usually take it with me sometimes. So a pashmina is pretty much like a scarf, but it is a little bit thicker. I'm not sure exactly how much they are, but you can basically just put it around your neck, dance with it, and just in case it gets cold, you got your ass covered. Next thing you want to bring, mine's probably aren't in here, you want to bring earplugs. Please, please, please protect your ears. I know sometimes people say no, it just ruins the experience. Please protect your ears. I got these at Tomorrowland. They were probably, I don't know, like 30 bucks maybe, but they do not do anything to the sound of any of the stages. The quality is super good. Just make sure you find some good ones. I know they sell some on Amazon for like, I don't think they're more than 15 bucks in like this little metal jar, and I know a lot of my friends use those. And just take those with you, because the next day you will be paying the price for that bass. Some people like it. When I was younger, I used to like it, but I'm older now. Can't really do that. This is a must. You need a fanny pack or a backpack, or if you bring a water pack, make sure it has like an area where you could put your things. I put everything in my fanny pack, literally everything. So let's start out by showing you what I put inside. Wipes. I always take wipes with me. A lot of the stalls, you know what? All of the stalls, oh look! I found my earplugs. A lot of the stalls need tissue. And then sometimes if it's hot, you could just wipe your face off, cool yourself off, and you don't have to go all the way to the water stations usually. I always throw in like alcohol pads, just in case. These are good. Antibacterial hand sanitizer. I mean, right after you're done, wash those hands. Don't spread germs, spread love, okay? Hand sanitizer, just in case. I know certain festivals, depending on which one you're going to, they don't allow certain things, or sometimes it has to be like a new package and it can't be opened. If not, they throw it away. But hand sanitizer, if you can fit it, sneak it in, do so. I would take this vapor inhaler for just like a pick-me-up, especially if you're there dancing all day. This is needed. Hi, Mom. Moving right along. Some gum. I recommend you literally just taking a new pack of gum, because depending on what like security guard you get, they'll throw your shit out. So you want to make sure they don't, because I mean, gum, super essential. You need it for my ladies or men, doesn't matter. Sometimes if you do feel like some pain, for some reason, your dancing shoes or the usual shoes that you wear, or if you're trying new shoes out for festivals and you want to break them in, I recommend taking Band-Aids, or they sell like these gel. They're not gel. It feels like gel, but you can get these at like a pharmacy, and you would peel them in the back and just place them on an area that's bothering you, and this pretty much acts as a barrier so that you can just continue to enjoy your day. I mean, let's be honest, if you have uncomfortable shoes, I've been there before, done that, so just take my advice, get these, put them in your fanny pack, or bring some Band-Aids with you, and you'll be set. And I mean, you never know, one of your friends might need it. You can also bring your chapstick. Don't forget your chapstick. Just like a few extra things. Your candies. You want to bring your candies. This one of my special family members from my rave group made this for me. It says My Glow, and it's just super special. It's one of my favorite ones. So you want to bring candy with you. You can exchange them. It's such a cool experience. It's a good moment when you're getting to know somebody to exchange candies. So fill your entire arm up. Do whatever you want with the candies. I love them. And then you don't want to forget your ticket. Make sure you do have your ticket on you. If you got to meet up with a friend that has it, just meet up with them. Put that ticket on, because you got to get inside to have some fun. Take your portable battery pack. You want to take that with you. Make sure you have the battery pack fully charged, and it's in there in your fanny pack. Even though, depending on what festival you're going to, they do have like charging stations, so you can utilize those. Water. I don't have a water pack. I actually need to purchase one. So whoever you're going with, you want to make sure somebody has a water pack. That way you guys can fill it up. Everybody stays hydrated during your entire time there. The most important thing that you can bring to a festival is a positive vibe. Be happy, let loose, have fun. Different stages await you. Even if you just listen to trance or only house, go and see type of hard style stage. Keep an open mind, have fun. I mean, you'll never know what DJ you're gonna end up liking, and on top of that, you never know what type of people are there at the stages that you'll actually really create lifelong friendships with. Besides that, make sure you guys are safe if you decide to go to festivals. I know right now with this quarantine, we all don't know when we'll be able to continue festival season, But if anything, I'll see you guys for the year of 2021 at whatever festival I decide to go to. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And besides that, peace, love, unity, and respect. Bye.